Kuna tanda koko, itawana evumbi ya fayonge. Bono baba, kero bangule mumba kwenu. Yani ndolo petelo, iwa bondelo mwana ndi mukele. Emadia, ah, Emadia. Kuna tanda koko, itawana evumbi ya fayonge. Bono baba, kero bangule mumba kwenu. Yani ndolo petelo, iwa bondelo mwana ndi mukele. Emadia, ah, Emadia, Emoyonge yentandilanga, amatokonge basidio moyo. Emoyonge yentandilanga, amatokonge basidio moyo. Ah, we impange mama. Emoyonge yentandilanga, amatokonge basidio moyo. Emoyonge yentandilanga, amatokonge basidio moyo. Ah, we impange mama. Okuzuluma nomboke lwanga, omundelengenda fane timbo. Okuzuluma nomboke lwanga, omundelengenda fane timbo. Mame mole awe impange mama, awe impange mama. Mame mole awe impange mama, awe impange mama. Okuzuluma nomboke lwanga, omundelengenda fane timbo. Okuzuluma nomboke lwanga, omundelengenda fane timbo. Mame mole awe impange mama, awe impange mama. Mame mole awe impange mama, awe impange mama. Kongo itawana evumbi ya fayombe. Kono baba, keno bangu le mumba kwenu. Yani ndolo no petelo, iwa bonde lo mwana ndi mukele. Emadia. emadia, 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 emadia.
What's the easiest way to get in touch with nature? Do you just head into the woods? Live off the land?
Sekulekele ntango unanzila zezombo yatumyokomyoko agento mukwenda kangajenanga yemvatu myao myembote mbote munante tolumoso maza malwidi kembo yenkembo yenkunga myemasikilu zombo city makela tu zombwewe zombo city Peu pilumfuta Zombo city Makela tu zombwewe Zombo city Peu pilumfuta Eminda mie bala Uvana minanga eluzaisu Rangolo engutukilo Evuvu kempa kivutukidi Unkaziluze kesenkangu kizengo mona Ngoma isanzi Akivene mongolo Entete mbazi kwendanga munzaki Zombo city Makela tu zombwewe Zombo city Peu pilumfuta Zombo city Makela tu zombwewe Zombo city Peu pilumfuta Os acrobatas, cuspidores de fogo, músicos da praça aquecem o ambiente, multidão está pronto pelo apoteose. Zombo City, Makela do Zombwewe. Zombo City, Peu Pilumfuta. Zombo City, Makela do Zombwewe. Zombo City, Peu Pilumfuta. Os acrobatas, cuspidores de fogo, músicos da praça aquecem o ambiente, multidão está pronto pelo apoteose. Quero sonhar, quero cantar, quero gritar, zombo. Quero sonhar, quero cantar, quero gritar e desenhar, Zombo City.
Explore a few solutions.
Really suggestions catch when you're
Kambote.
Gambote.
Kambote David. Gizambote. Welcome. Tata Mabiala. Kambote.
Kiambote.
Tatale. You're on mute, Tatale.
Cambote.
Yeah. Tutondele. Thank you very much for your time. Ngizambote. Ngizambote means welcome. If you are watching, thank you very much. We are learning a language. We're going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of former. I don't like saying former. Congo Kingdom, yes. Congo Kingdom. We're still here. We are on the Congo. Am I right, Tata Mabiala?
Definitely.
Yes, we are Congo. So the kingdom's here. The language here. But I can guarantee you, the language is the only thing we're left with. Yes? We have to cling on the language, otherwise everything lost. Okay, thank you very much. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon. Who can help me? Tata Mabiala. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, and
Congo Kinshasa, Congo Brazzaville.
well done. Tuto Ndele. Thank you very much again for your time. You are Congo. Tata Mabiala, can you read on screen the bottom right? Remember last time we did the thing?
Kimfuafua, Kimpinga Pinga.
Kim Fuam Fuam. Can you say that again, please? Fuam Fuam.
Kimfuafua, Kimpinga Pinga.
Kim Fuam Fuam. Kim Fuam Fuam.
Kimfuamfu.
Kipinga Pinga. Well done.
Kimpinga Pinga.
Nengo
Kimfuamfua, Kimpinga Mpinga.
well done. Kipfuam Fuam Kipinga Pinga. Meaning? Nengo remember?
The Congo tradition never dies.
Yes. There's Kipfuam Fuam Kipinga Pinga. Voka mumwana ko munantekelo. Voka munantekelo ko mwelumvulu. Did I explain last time?
Yes, you did. Should I explain the whole?
Go ahead, yes. Well done.
Okay, so it means when someone dies, then it always be replaced. If someone from the Congo tradition dies, then they will be replaced. If not through my own child or my son, then through my grandchild. And if not through my grandchild, then through my great-grandchild.
This is well done. This is a blessing from our ancestors, no? The proof is here. Can you see it? You are the proof, young man from London, yeah? Cockney boy. Young man from Washington, D.C. Young lady from Zimbabwe. Yeah, Tata David is there. See? Okay, thank you very much. Let's go ahead. Yes, Congo Kingdom, I mean, we are live, because as soon as I start talking, then I become emotional, So then you start speaking right now. It's a great Congo. But we don't want to undermine other people, other tribes. On one hand, on another hand, we need to be brave to talk about ourselves. You get that, yeah? Who we are, who we're. Because okay, I have to stop there. They stole. Okay. This is the language, yes. Congo language course, Malongi Magi Congo, Kizombo, by Professor Hazel Carter and the Reverend Joan Makonde kwa. Joan Makonde got all gone. Yeah, can you read for us? This is very important. This is from Professor Hazel Carter. Thank you.
The course is designed to teach you to speak rather than to know about Kikongo. These are special teaching drills, not testing drills, as in some language laboratory courses.
Thank you very much. This course is great, no? In terms of guide, I mean, the course to learn Kikongo, this is top. The only one we have. I can prove it to you if you want. It's easy because We did have a meeting once with a brother from Congo, DRC, Congo Kinshasa, Angola, of course. We are looking for material. We want to teach Kikongo because our aim is to teach Kikongo all the variants. But unfortunately, the only one we have is this one. We didn't have a modern guide, you know. This is the one we have. Then, if you're brave enough, you will speak Kikongo. Thank you, Tata Alan. I saw you yesterday. Tata Alan, I was pushing hard, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, and this is lesson 7, section 1. Oyandi Osinga. Okay. Let me just try to underline one thing here. Remember the prefixes. Sorry, my computer is.
Yes.
Can you see Andy? Tata Alain? Andy, yes? Oyandi.
Oh yeah,
Can you
yeah,
see
yes,
Andy?
yes,
Andy,
yes,
yes.
yeah.
Oyandi, Andy. Tata Adele, remember the prefixes. We have Ame.
Ame, Andi,
No, Ame Aku, yeah, Ame Aku.
Aku, Yeno,
Now, Andy,
Andi, Meno,
Eto,
Eto, Meno.
Eno,
Yeah.
Au, Obau, Yao. The third plural, you can say Au, Yao, Bao. It is Kikongo, yes? Okay. That's why we say that they are not, we don't call them pronoun, we call them, remember? How do you call them?
They call the
Sorry?
pronouns, relative pronouns.
We don't call them pronoun. Tata Allen, remember?
We call them possessives.
Well done, yeah, because the way they are used. See, in this is a typical example. Can you see it? And is there. We can't say that a pronoun in the English sense. See? Oyandi. 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 Osinga yangalala. I'm trying to define, but how to define? Where do you understand what I'm trying to say? This is the most important thing. Oyandi osinga yangalala. She's going to be happy. Nani osinga yangalala. In Lingala, they use same nani, but this is Kikongo, yeah? Many words in Lingala are not Lingala, but Kikongo. In Lingala, they say, when they say, sorry, I don't want to offend anybody, but they say Zoba. Zoba meaning stupid. It is Kikongo. Zoa. Yeah?
It's the same in Kikongo. Zoba.
That's what I'm trying to say. It's not the same. I'm trying to say exactly the opposite. It is copy Kikongo. Kikongo word originally is Kikongo. Zoa. But in Nga it says Zoba. Nani is Kikongo. But it's used in Lingala as well. When I say Lingala, I mean Lingala spoken in the Kinshasa because the proper Lingala is there and northwest in Congo. Yeah. Okay, Tata, please. Oyandi Osinga Yanga. Okay, that's good exercise. We're going to have a good exercise soon. Because we're talking about the Ame, Aku, Andi. We're going to use the prefixes. Sorry, how do you call them? Suffixes, yes?
Yes.
Keep this in mind. We're going to apply this now soon, yeah, right now. Oyandi Osinga Yangalala. We're talking about him, her. Then we're going to change the Andy. Yes? Okay, Tata, over to you. Ask Tata Mabiala, please.
Tata Mabiala, Oyandi Osinga Yangalala.
Yangalala. Yangalala. We can use the accent, acute accent, yes.
Yangalala.
Nani Osinga Yangalala.
Oh, well done. Wow, good tone. Kikongo is the tone, you know, because many languages, apart from writing, your tone gives the meaning to the words. Yes, are you with me?
Mm-hmm.
Mm. If I say, let me say it again. Yakala kuna. Kuna is there. Yakala kuna means so that I can be there. Listen carefully. The pitch. Yakala kuna. Did you get that? Yeah? Did you get that, Tetale? Yakala kuna. This is the past. Yakala kuna.
Yeah.
Let me just
Yes.
move this one. This is very important too. That's why I keep saying if you have time, follow Nengwa on Kikongo Talk Show. Yakala kuna. Yakala kuna. Nengwa tell you, did you get that?
Yeah, I can see that you
Can you
changed your
try? Can
tone.
you try? Because you write exactly the same way. Yakala kuna. We're talking present,
Okay.
so that I can be there. Oh, yes. Yakala kuna. I was there. So the time is depend on your tone. Can you see that, Tata David? So write the same way, but
So do.
if you mean present, up to you. The way I pronounce the words, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. For someone whoever watching, if you understand Lingala, if I say Lingala, he's my friend.
Azande
So
konanga.
let me say that
Hmm.
he's my friend. Azala Kamoninga Nangai. Hmm? He's my
Mm-hmm.
friend. Listen carefully when I change the pitch. Azala Kamoninga Nangai. What do I mean?
That he was
Yeah.
before.
So
Okay.
well, that's if some language, your native language, kind of you are used to, you don't pay attention on that. See, you you're paying attention. Don't pay attention to these changes. Very important. Mm. I'm gonna tell you. Can try that again. Why did I say? I keep forgetting. Mm. In Kikongo, what was I saying? Tell you, who can help me?
You said yakala kuna.
Well done. Yakala kuna. Mm. We don't have we don't want
Then you
to give a sentence. Yakala kuna. So that I can be there. Kuna is there. Yakala kuna. Can you try to give me a present?
the present one is
Yeah, depend on you.
yakala
No,
yakala
the
kuna.
first one, right?
Yeah, the first one.
Okay. Later to juggle. Okay, forget the first second. Give me a present. Then go tell you. So that I can be there.
So you want me to tell you which one's the present?
Give me the past
Which
then. Give me the
sentence is
past.
the
I don't want
present?
to give you the hint. Give you a hint.
Okay. Um, yakala kuna.
Well done, present. Present.
I don't know.
Yakala kuna.
Well done, well done. Second brother, did you get that? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yakala kuna. Yakala kuna. When I say Yamona wo. Yamona dio. Yamona wo. Let me see it. Oh, so that I can see it. Yamona wo. Listen to the pitch now. Rising. Yamona wo. Yes?
Hmm.
Yamona wo. Let me see it. Oh, so that I can see it. Yamona wo. I saw it. Okay, question.
It's a bit tricky.
Yeah, will you say them again back to back?
Okay. Yamonao. Mona is to see.
To see.
Mona. Yamonao. Wo, that, Monayo, depend. Yamonao. Let me see, or so that I can see. Yamonao. Yamonao. Hmm? past. Yamonao. Yamonao. Okay. Thank you. Let's go back. Now we need to apply the ame aku suffixes. Yes, ame aku. We need to change. It depends on the question. Just pay attention. Okay. Oya ndi osinga yangalala. We are going to be happy. Tata Alain ask Nengotadiwa.
Let me see.
Ask Tata. Sorry. Ask Nengotadiwa as many. You many.
Okay. Uye tu singa yangalala.
You asking Nengotadiwa. You asking many people. You many.
Yeah, okay, so you many. Okay. Uyenu usinga yangalala.
Oyeno. Yeah, well done.
Oyenu usinga yangalala.
Sorry, Oyeno. Carry on, Tata. Oyeno.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, Oyeno. Okay. Yeah, Oyeno. Oyeno nusinga yangalala.
We change it. Oh, on Osinga. We change it. Oh, we change this
To nusinga.
Well done. Oyeno Lusinga. Oh, Nusinga.
Oh, Lusinga. Okay. Oyeno Lusinga yangalala.
Nani Osinga yangalala. Okay. Then what you are going. We are going to be happy.
We are going to be happy. Okay.
Ask Tata Allen.
Tata Allen. Oye to singa yangalala.
Well done. Tata Allen answer. Nani Osinga yangalala. Tata Allen.
Oh, Nani.
Actually, you are asking the question. Tata Nengotadi just was affirming. Nani Osinga yangalala.
Nani Osinga yangalala.
Nani Osinga yangalala. Well done. Question this, Tata Mabiala. Is it clear? Yes, well done. Oh yeah, and Osinga Sumba. Be careful. Going back to same point, same lesson. Sorry, how to call it? Long vowel. Oyandi Osinga Sumba. Oyandi Osinga Sumba. Yunga. Long vowel. Tata Mabia, can you try? Oyandi Osinga Sumba. Yunga.
Oyandi Osinga Sumba Yunga.
Yeah, well done. Long vowel is critical because can you carry on that name? What I do? Finish my sentence because
Kikongo is a tonal language.
Yes, the meaning of the word depends on
the tone.
Yes, young lady in Kikongo is Ndumba. Pay attention, Tata Mabiala. Ndumba. But Lingala use the same word for the meaning. Yeah? You get that, Tata? You know that? Make sure you pronounce it correctly. Yeah? We say Ndumba, long vowel, Ndumba. Ndumba means young lady, yes? Sorry. Young lady or bride, yes. Because the word comes from Polish lady, I mean the beautiful lady, ornament, all this stuff. I think I explained in the past, yes?
Yes, I think you have explained.
Yeah, yes. So Ndumba. But in Ngala we use Ndumba for different meaning. That's why we have to pronounce correctly. Ndumba. Young lady, beautiful lady. Ndumba. Okay, Tata, maybe I can go ahead, please. Oh, Tata David, sorry.
Hmm.
I know you were there. So you there, Tata David,
Yeah.
sorry. Can you try Tata David?
The
Oh
first
yeah,
line.
please, yes.
Oyandi osinga sumba yunga.
Well done. Oya ndi osinga sumba yunga. Nani osinga sumba yunga? Tata David, can you try third person?
Yeah. Let's see.
Third plural, please.
Okay. Bau businga sumba yunga.
Well done. Well done. Can you say it again, Tata David?
Mm-hmm. I think that would be Bau businga sumba yunga.
Bau besinga, but you can put the O again. The beginning O bau. Yes, not bad, but for convenience we use the Y. Oyau, yes.
Oh.
Yeah. Oyau besinga sumba yunga. Tata, you
Yes.
there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Correct?
Oh,
Yes.
sorry.
Yeah. Are you following her?
Yeah, I'm
Yes.
following.
Any question?
Following.
Yes. Oyau
Okay.
besinga sumba yunga.
Yeah. Oyau besinga sumba yunga.
Yes. As you can see on Osinga did actually that maybe I think
Okay.
Singa is in English you say will. Singer is just there to help auxiliary. Auxiliary. Yes? Singer. So O before singer, it is a pronoun. Yes?
Yeah.
Because when I say O, in this case, we mean him, her. But if I want to say me, name what I do?
I think you say oyame.
No, I just want you to touch on singer. Singer is there auxiliary, but O is a pronoun. In this case, particular case, we have a third person. If it were first person, Tata Lane.
Isinga.
Well done, yeah. Tata Bella, yes? Did you see that? That's why we keep saying I don't know how many do you have. Can you see? Have you noticed that Tata Lane? Almost four personal pronoun in Kikongo. Have you noticed that? Yeah, Tata.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because E as I in Kikongo in English is in this case if you change O into E is your first your me. I mean person first person singular. Then what did you
Yes, I'm
understood?
following.
Did you
Yes.
understand that? That?
Yes, I've understood.
Yes. So when we say what was the other thing we did last time? Mukwiza ngina. Ngina is me.
First person.
Isinga is
I.
is me. Let me just remove my Tata Mabiala, I just want you to understand because you missed many lessons. Did you get that? Singer, let me write it here on.
So we would say omono isinga.
Go ahead, yes.
No, I was gonna say so omono isinga. What is this? Sumba.
You.
Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Yeah. Basically,
Okay.
saying Omono. Let me just write something here quickly. Singer is like will. Yeah. Mm, yeah, how do you say auxiliary? Yes. How do you write it? I mean, Tata, David, can you see my notes?
Yes.
Can you read it, please?
Singa means will,
Mhm.
and then you say auxiliary.
Yes, auxiliary. Yes, we need to understand that. So when you say omono, basically we're saying twice I, first person. Yes. Omono is I. Isinga, isinga, I. I mean, I'm talking Congo here. Isinga. The E there is I as well.
Mhm.
Yes. Omono isinga. That's confused.
Yeah. No. So no, I will and I'm going to.
Yes, I'm just saying that you have twice personal pronoun.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
Bantu language are repetitive. Omono isinga. Mm. Me, I am going to. See?
Mm-hmm.
Instead of saying just I'm going to do this. Okay. Okay, I have 15 minutes. Yes. Tata Mabiala, you quiet question?
No.
Did you see my note, Tata? Tata Mabiala, yes? Mm.
Yes.
Singer, yeah, singer. So when we say, let me just put it back. We have singer here. Before singer, we have O. Tata Mabiala, can you, what is O in this case in English?
Say that again.
We have O singer. Yeah?
Yeah.
So we know that the singer, it is will. So the
Yeah.
O before singer, in English, what is it? What is it?
Osinga is will.
Yeah, I'm asking about the O before singer. That name what I do?
I will. No.
Is it a
Oyandi
possessive
is
noun?
I.
It's a possessive.
Sorry, name what I do? Sorry, Tata Mabiala. Name what I do? Go ahead,
Doesn't it
please.
refer? Doesn't it refer to you or she?
I can't hear you.
Or does it refer to you or she?
Yes, well done. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So can I ask a question? Is it he or she or is it you? Right? Because wouldn't K or Ka represent he or she?
I got you there.
You see what I'm
very,
saying?
very, very hard to explain. I got you. I got you. That's why we need the linguist to write a lot about this, to keep defining because it's very complex, Mm, yeah. But generally speaking, K in the is usually third person in the past. Mm? Okay. Okay, nengwatadiwa oyandi osinga sumba yunga. Third plural. Nengwatadiwa, please.
Third plural.
Yeah, third, yeah,
Okay.
plural, please.
Third person plural. Okay. O Obawu besinga sumba yunga.
Well done. Just for convenience, because we have Y, just use oyao, but it's fine, correct.
Oyawu besinga sumba yunga.
Correct, well done, yeah. Tata, can you read for us? Oyandi osinga mona.
Oyandi Osinga Mona Ngudi Yandi.
Yes, oyandi osinga mona ngudian. How many personal pronoun do we have on that line?
Like
Tata,
Is it 3?
yes, which one? Saturday.
Oh, Andy, O, and Andy.
Well done, yes. All on a singer, yes?
Mm-hmm.
So can I ask a question?
Yeah, put me on the spot.
So if you was to say I, would you say Menoyandi?
Where on the Oyandi?
Yeah.
Can you say what do you want to say in English? Please.
Would you say meno yandi, like I, instead of saying he or she, say I? Would you say meno yandi?
Oyandi Osinga Mona Ngudi Andi. You talking about the last Andy?
No, I'm talking about the first one, the first word. Would you replace it with meno to say I?
Meaning me.
Yeah.
Mono.
Yeah.
You're right. If you okay, I'm going to. This is the question I was about to ask. Okay, you answer the question. You go to answer already. You tell me.
Would you say mono osinga
Well
mona
done.
gudiame?
No, the first bit very good. Well done. Omono. But carry on. Omono. Then.
O mono mosinga.
No, that O is she or he. That O before singer.
Okay.
So you need to
Singa,
change it.
just say singa.
Sorry?
Would you just say singa?
No. Because singer is just will. There's no pronouns. Singer is not pronoun. Singer is auxiliary, yes? Just helping
Okay.
you to make to create your future, form your future. So
Did you
what will
say
be
Usinga?
well done, yeah. That maybe yes?
Okay.
You done well. Carry on. Can you do it again? Omono. Well done. Omono, yes.
Omono isinga.
Mm-hmm.
Omono isinga mona ngudiame.
Yeah, bravo! You passed the test, yeah? Yes. Thailand, you see that?
Yes.
Me, Omono, Isinga, Mona, Ngudi, and whoever Omono, which is me, I, then Isinga, whoever E, we're talking Kikongo, E, I as well. Then we have Ngudi, Ame, possessive now, as you say, and Ame. Yes. Then what I do, you're talking to Tata Mabiala. You singular or you person going to see your mom.
Okay. Oyaku.
You know, you're talking to him. You're talking to him, face to face, talking to him.
Tata Mabiala. Oyaku.
Oh, they've tried to. 1 minute, Tata, you're talking to Tata Mabiala.
Omono.
You're talking to him. He's going to see.
He is going.
No. You're talking to. I mean, face to face. You're talking to.
Like I am going.
Okay. So it's Ongeye.
Yes,
Okay.
that's it. Yeah, well done. You do it. Yes. Onge, carry on that, yes, Onge, yeah.
Okay. Ongeye Osinga Mona Ngudi Yaku.
Bravo. That be understood, yes.
Yeah.
You've done it because we have Aku at the end, third, second person.
For you,
Second,
like,
yes.
yeah.
Yes. Tata David. Your turn, Tata David.
Okay.
We are going to see a mother. Yeah.
Oyao.
We. Tata David, sorry. We.
Yeah. Oyao. Yasinga Mona Nguri Andi.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, third plural. We're talking about first plural. Nengo Teddy, can you help, please?
Oyeto.
Carry on.
Or should I carry on? Okay.
Yes, please.
Oyeto to singa mona gudieto.
Yes. Tata Mabiala, yes?
Yes.
Oyeto to singa monangudi. Basically, the first pronoun, let's say pronoun,
So
is
that's
the same as the last.
we
Yeah,
are going to see.
yeah. Oyeto to singa monangudi eto. Yes. Well done. Question. That's only a question.
Uh-uh.
You're doing well. No? I mean, Professor Hazokata, isn't she right? That's not Biala.
Say that
That's only.
again.
And Professor Hazokata said that this course is to help you to speak Kikongo. I'm just asking, is isn't it she right? She is. Yes, that's only. Yeah. No.
No, she. Yeah.
Yeah, she is. Yeah. You're speaking Kikongo because of what you're learning now. This is it. In terms of grammar, you are there. This is good Kikongo. This is Kikongo. The only, next step is just being live Congo people. Although we are not, we're not like it because less and less people want to speak their own language. If you were in Angola or in Congo, DRC, or Congo Brazzaville, in the village where people only spoke Kikongo, you have the basics, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Same of ground, have the basics. This one is just going around and around. Don't change it. Like in any language, you know, when you learn the grammar is there forever. The grammar is there. Oyandi, Osinga, Muna, Gudi. Ah. Well done, Tatambiala. Very good. You are a brave boy, yeah? Oyandi, Osinga, Baka, Vimpi. Hmm? Baka is to get, yeah?
VP.
Baka, Vimpi is health, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, exactly, yeah. That's what we say. Do not mind Vimpi. This is the question, yes? How are you? Vimpi is
Gina yema VP.
exactly. Nginama Vimpi. Nginama Vimpi. Nginama Vimpi.
Gina
Nginama
ma
Vimpi.
VP.
Just say Nginama Vimpi. Yeah. I'm fine. Yeah. Vimpi is health. You can use well. Okay. But the word means health. So it Nengo tell you. Nengo
Or
tell
should
you
I
I
read?
didn't say. Sorry, I think you were saying something.
No, I wasn't. I didn't say
Okay.
anything.
Okay.
Yes, I was just listening.
This one is easy. Oya ndio singa baka vimpi. Nani osinga baka vimpi? Nengo tadiwa oyandi. Tatale nengo tadiwa I mean let's say a question and question, but the first one is first line is just affirmative. Nengo tadiwa then tata answer tata ale answer. Nengo tadiwa the
Should I
first line
start
please.
first?
First line, yes please.
Okay. Oyandi osinga baka vimpi.
Mm-hmm.
Nani Osinga Baka Vimpi.
Yes. Let's just do the other round. Tata you ask the question, then nengo tadiwa you answer the first line. Tata
Nani Osinga Baka Vimpi.
Oyandi osinga baka vimpi.
ah, well done. Same question, Tata but nengo tadiwa you're talking about we are going to be well.
Nani Osinga Baka Vimpi.
Oyeto tusinga baka vimpi.
Yeah, that was your test now too. Yes, well, you passed the test. Yeah. So we have four personal pronoun. Oya and the Osinga Funga. Please, long vowel. Tata Mabiala. Can you read the first line, please? Nenga Tata David, the answer, the second line. Tata Mabiala, please.
Oyandi osinga funga makasi.
Well done.
Nani Osinga Funga Makasi.
Yes. That's a good Kikongo. Old Congo, but good Kikongo. Oya ndio singa funga makasi. Tutondele. Here we are. Tata Mabiala, test for you. I've already explained the word, yeah? Don't miss it. Otherwise, you will be saying different words. You know what I mean? Tata Maria, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you hit proper tone, yeah? Go ahead, Tata. Tata Mabiala and Tata Allen will answer.
Oyandi osinga sompa ndumba.
Well done.
Nani osinga sompa ndumba?
Yes. In Kikongo. Okay, this is Kikongo, the language, but Sompa, the same word we use for credit, to receive a credit, to borrow. Sompa. See? Okay. Here we have it. Tata Mabia. Can you see it? Ndumba is a girl. Yeah? Ndumba is a girl. Usually, the connotation, the nuance is Ndumba as in bride, ornament, beautiful, yeah? Yeah. That's why in Lingala, they transfer the same meaning to another context because those are beautiful as well. I don't say the word Tata Abial. Are you with me? Yes? Tata Abial, did you get that? Okay, we are live. If you want one more explanation, wait for me after the class. Yeah. Question on this one. Yeah, can you just say how a language can be corrupted, yes, easily, yeah, by another one? See, Tata?
Yep.
Yeah, very easy. We are lucky because we have written books, see? Otherwise, we would have lost our words. I remember there's a girl on Kikongo. No, I watched the Congolese. How do you call it? Theatre, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. There was a lady. He was insulting another girl using that word. Then the girl answered to her, "No, no, I'm Mukongo. This is not. I'm fine. I'm a young girl."
Yeah.
The other girl was trying to insult her by saying the word Doomba in that tone. But then she replied, "Oh, don't worry. Yes, I'm a girl because I'm a Mukongo." That's funny. Then what tell you? Do you get that? I want to explain to you
Yeah, I
later if
got
you
it.
want. Yeah. Oh yeah, and the Osinga quiz Ambazi. Tata David, please then Tata Babiala reply.
Okay. Oyandi osinga kwiza mbazi.
Tata Babiala, Nani.
Nani osinga kuiza mbazi?
Yes, well done. Nani Osinga quiz Ambazi. Well done. Yes. Questions we've done. Almost done. Oh yeah, and Osinga Kutu Sadisa. Okay. That's good. Nengo Tadiwa and Tata David.
Oyandi osinga kutusadisa.
Nani osinga kutusadiza?
Kutu Sadisa. Yes.
Kutusadisa. Yeah.
Yes. Nengo Tadiwa. Same line, but about them.
Okay. Oyawu besinga kutusadisa.
Yeah, well done. Okay, let's put it in another way. They are going to help you many. Tata Mabiola, can you try, please?
They.
Yeah, fair the plural, yes. They are going to help
Is a Lu.
us. Can you try to read
Lu.
it? Yes?
Luya.
No, from the beginning, O. Start from O.
Okay. Oyalu.
Them. Oyau, yes. Oyau.
Yao. Oyawu lusinga kutusadisa.
Here on, sorry, let me just, give me 1 minute, sorry. You need to change O as well. They are going to help us.
Okay.
Oyawu
osinga.
You need to change O. This O is a third singular.
Lusinga.
Them. Then go tell, can you try, please?
Oyawu besinga kutusadisa.
Okay.
Besinga
Kutusadisa.
I want you to change the last one. They're going to help you people. Then go tell you.
I don't know.
Yeah,
Okay, let me try. Oyawu besinga lutusadisa.
You don't. You're using two pronouns. Totally. Oyawu besinga, yeah.
Oyawu besinga.
Help you people, yeah. You many. Ku. We changing the TU. You know that.
Kunu. What?
Yeah. Kunu sadisa. Oh, kunu sadisa. Yes. You tell you, okay? Yes. You change the.
Kunu sadisa. Okay.
Yeah, we change the two.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's call it today. Thank you very much for your time. Let's see a language. See? This is not dialect, it's a language, yes? Proper grammar. Very strong grammar. Is that only a question?
No question.
Okay.
I'm just taking notes.
Okay, next time, we're going back next time. Need to revise this, very not easy.
Yeah.
Tutondele.
Tutondele.
Okay, we have Kikongo talk show at 7 p.m. London time.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask a question. Last week's talk show, I didn't see it didn't.
Yeah,
there was a problem.
I mean, couldn't to guest. I think we couldn't speak to him.
Okay.
There's an issue with his phone, so he couldn't come. So sorry to tell him.
Okay, next time.
Okay. Thank you very much. Luenda Kiambote.
Nusa
na Kiambote.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongele meso mwene isibuli matu uwidi ikonzo dienu Keno luho vanga bo Kongo diakwa